Today I am going to show you how to turn any photo into a cute chibi anime character. Open ChatGPT. Type I need chibi anime style prompt. Copy any prompt from the list. Now click on the plus icon. Click Add Photo and Files. Upload your photo. Type Convert to chibi anime style. And then paste your prompt. Click on the Send button. You can see a cute chibi style anime create. Download the anime. Thanks for watching the video.